Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure NordVPN on iPhone for streaming. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type NordVPN and tap search. Locate the NordVPN application from the search results. Tap the Get button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app. Sign in with your NordVPN account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly within the app. After signing in, you will see the main interface of the app. Tap on the Countries tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list to find the country you want to connect to for streaming. Select the country to initiate the connection. Once connected, the status will change to connected. To configure specific settings, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, you can enable features like CyberSEC for extra security. If you wish to access content from a specific streaming service, check for optimized servers. Go back to the main screen and tap Quick Connect for the fastest server. For a manual setup, tap on Servers and scroll through the list. Choose a server optimized for streaming based on your target service. Once connected, open your preferred streaming app, such as Netflix or Hulu. You are now ready to stream content securely and privately. To disconnect, return to the NordVPN app and tap the Disconnect button. Always remember to reconnect once you finish to maintain your privacy. Your NordVPN configuration on your iPhone is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.